Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this dark brown smoky eye look, which is going to look really flattering on your eyes. So if you want to know how I got this look, then let's start with the video. So I have already prepped my face and I'm going to start with the foundation. And for the foundation, I'm using today Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm using two shades, medium beige and warm beige, and I'm going to mix both the shades and I'll start applying on my face. So I just took 2 pumps of each shade and I'm starting to blend this with the help of my beauty sponge. This is from Real Techniques. So this foundation is really beautiful, guys. It's one of the amazing foundation I have. Why I like this foundation is because it gives me that natural skin like finish. It's dewy and I really prefer foundations which gives me that dewy and it feels so natural on skin. It doesn't feel heavy, it feels very light on face. That's why I love this foundation. It's a bit expensive, so you do not really have to buy this foundation. You can use any affordable foundation like the one I always recommend to you, L'Oreal Too Much Foundation, and you can use that foundation, or you can use Maybelline Fit Me foundation if that foundation really suits you. Okay, so after foundation, I'm going to use the concealer. I'm using this Pack Takecover concealer in the shade Birthday Suit. This is again a concealer which gives you natural finish. It's creamy and easy to blend, so I really like to use this concealer. You can also use this concealer on everyday basis. You can also use LA Girl concealer. These two are my absolute favorite concealer. When it comes to use just one thing, I will skip foundation and I will use these concealer on my face rather, and they look really beautiful, natural, and you do not need anything, just those concealer. I'll be using this Sugar Magic Wand concealer in the shade Chococcino. I'm going to do some highlighting with this concealer, nothing much. This one is matte in formula, so it takes a little bit of your time in blending. It's not that easy to blend as compared to your LA Girl and Pack one. It takes time to blend. If you're looking for a concealer for highlighting purpose, it's a great concealer. I'm going to highlight a little bit of my nose also because we're going to go full glam. So, just taking care of those areas which are dark on my face. Let's quickly blend. Okay, so now base is done and I'm going to set my face using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade light medium, and I'm taking very little amount on this sponge and I'm going to press this under my eyes because I really need to set my under eye area so that it does not crease and it looks good, nothing messy. So one thing I want to mention about this loose powder or anything you use to set your concealer is that you do not really need much to set your concealer, especially if you have dry skin. You just need a little amount, especially on those areas where you feel that your concealer is going to budge, it's going to look all creasy and all that. Otherwise, you do not really need that much powder to set your face. Avoid it if you have dry skin. It's going to look really bad, and use only when it is required. Otherwise, you can totally skip the powder. So to begin with the eye makeup, I'm taking this shade as my transition shade. So on a fluffy brush, I'm going to start diffusing this shade on my crease area. And I'm also diffusing it in the outer corner of my eye. This is the second shade I'm going to apply on my eyelid area. This is actually the star eyeshadow of this look, and on a flat brush, on a small flat brush, I'm going to take this eyeshadow and start applying on my eyelid area. It's a beautiful dark brown, chocolatey brown shade. This eyeshadow is going to look very pretty once you're done with your eye makeup. So just patiently keep applying the eyeshadows. I'm not really blending it or anything, I'm just stamping this shade on my eyelid area. The last eyeshadow I'm going to use is this shade. I'm using this eyeshadow color to diffuse the previous two colors. Keeping this color on my socket area, just this area. And I'm again using that transition shade just to make sure that everything looks seamless and perfect. I'm going to use a brown kajal on my waterline. If you do not have brown kajal, you can totally skip this step, and what you can do is take a small brush, take that dark brown color and just smudge on your lower lash line. For mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara and this is affordable also. Now let's complete the face, and I'm taking this bronzer from Sugar in the shade Woody Wonder. And I'm just applying it in hollow of my cheeks. I'm actually placing it in hollow of my cheeks. And for this kind of look, bronzing your entire face is important. Otherwise your face is going to look flat and just look really dull. So you do not have to go overboard with the product, but just apply it to make to actually justify with this eye look. And I'm using the same bronzer as my blush also. I don't want to apply any other color. This color is looking apt for this look, so I want to keep it that way only. Let's highlight the face, and I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. And I don't want to forget my brow bone and inner corner area specifically for this look. I always forget highlighting these areas. For lips, I'm using Sugar lip liner in the shade Woody by Nude. And for lipstick, today I'm using this Sugar lipstick in the shade Brownton Abbey. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all like this look. If you did, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be uploading a video in future. Please follow me on Instagram. I keep uploading makeup related content there too. You can find all the details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.